Hey friends, if your Windows computer goes to sleep automatically randomly, then please watch this video. Now, I have been facing this problem. Everyone faces this problem. I'll explain the reason and the resolution. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select power and battery in the right pane and expand sleep. Now here's one interesting thing that you'll find. When I am plugged in, turn the screen off after how long? 40 minutes, but usually it is even selected at 5 minutes. And if it is on battery power, put my device to sleep after 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is a very short duration. I mean, it is very common for people to leave their system idle. So here's what I usually do. I change it to 30 minutes for battery power and up to never for plugged in mode, because if it is plugged in, then you do not need to put it to sleep to save power. But yes, you can do one thing. You can turn off the screen after, let's say, 30 minutes. Now I'll tell you what happens when you turn off the screen. To return to your normal screen, you will have to counter the lock. I mean, if the screen is turned off and you hit enter, the computer will not be in sleep mode. It will still be consuming a lot of power. But when you hit enter, to return to your main menu, you need to unlock your screen. So that is good enough. You do not need to make it sleep specifically. The purpose of making your system sleep is to save battery power, and that is not required in the plugged in mode because your computer doesn't actually consume a lot of battery as much as a tube light. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.